Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new towel warmer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Check it out. You get the user manual in here as well as the legs for it. These should just screw on here. Just like that. And then they also gave you some lavender scent as well. So we'll flip it back over. This does have a way to actually lock the lid in place. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, so let's go and actually turn it on.
Power on.
And then as you can see, there is also a Bluetooth right here.
Bluetooth startup.
So this also does serve as a speaker as well. So that way, as you're warming your towels, you can be playing your spa music or podcast, whatever you want to play. So let's actually hook it up to our iPad to try it out. There it is.
Bluetooth connected.
Perfect. Now let's actually place something on there. All right, so I want to go ahead and actually put it up. It's pretty good for a towel warmer. One thing I did want to point out as well is it is warming up as we speak. A 15-minute option, 30-minute option, 45, and a whole 60 minutes. And you're able to modify it right through this one right here. And it doesn't get crazy hot, like it's not like it's burning or anything, so that's good. We'll go ahead and actually put some towels in here. All right. Put a towel in there. And you could even fit 2 towels. Just like that. We'll leave it at the 15-minute mark. So super cool. Definitely more of the higher end. I did want to show another cool feature that it has towards the bottom. Okay, so if you hold the Bluetooth option, check this out. It's got a light down here, and it does have different colors as well.
Bluetooth connected.
So very, very cool that you can also have some lights down there just to kind of add a different vibe to it. And right up here, so you can see plenty of storage for those 2 towels. And this is where you can put the scent. So like I said, they sent us that lavender scent that we can put in here. Go ahead and put it right back. So very nice high-end towel warmer. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Oh yeah, definitely warm. They've only been in there a couple minutes. Yeah, this is gonna come in handy, especially right now with the cold weather. Or maybe you just like to have your towels nice and warm. This is definitely gonna be something that you're gonna need. This will also make a great gift as well. So as you can see, definitely a more high-end towel warmer. It does get up to 275 degrees. And like I said, I did put towels in here, but you can put blankets, you can put robes in here if you want it nice and toasty. So if you guys are looking for a new towel warmer, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.